use a twig to unclog my mother-in-law's car sunroof. This is the twig. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I guess I pronounce it right. I'm not sure. And then green, not a brown one. It has to be green so that it won't break. And then yeah, stuck that twig all the way until it stopped. Hold it, meaning it's you unclog it, and then you put some. Hold on. So hard to have two hands available. That's it. So you see, and then you right there. You spray some water on it, and you see that, and it's going in right there. There you go. That's unclog. To make sure it's dripping all the way down, you go down on your front tire, and that's when you know it's unclogged. And you do it to the other side, because they have two holes, one on the driver's side and one on the passenger side. I already unclogged that with the twig. So there you go.